everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to this week's Beauty Break with Bentley. This week we are going to be, I'm going to be showing you this. It's a subscription box that was sent to me, and I also have this other pile of PR from, it's from one place, but it has got the most beautiful packaging. Wait till you see it. I don't know if it's any good. I haven't tried it yet. It's all skincare. And it's a skincare thing too. So we'll look at that after we do this is the Glossy Box. And this is what it looks like. That's how it comes. And then it comes with a couple of things here. A gift from Vincero Watches, a $50 gift card for a watch, and this is from Bright Cellars, personalized wine delivered to your door. I don't drink wine, so I don't need that. But if you do, you might like that. So this is the Glossy Box. This is what they sent me. Let's just see what's in it. Now, I went on their website and I was a little confused. I think the box costs $18 a month if you subscribe for a year, and $21 a month if you just want one box. I think. I'm not sure, because then they had all these other boxes available too, and I don't really understand how much it costs, but I think it's between $18 and $21 for this box. And this is the regular subscription box, but they have other things available, like a skincare one and like a Christmas one. So I will leave my link, or a link below to it. Plus, I think I have a discount code too, so I'll leave that below. But for what's in this one, this is the November box, and it has in it, you get 5 items for your whatever it costs. So let's get started. The first thing I see in the box is this, and this looks like a eyeshadow palette to me. And it says Lash or LA Splash Cosmetics. I think that's what it is. You guys tell me. It's La Splash because it's all one word. It's right here. LASPLASH. I would call it LA Splash, but I don't think it is because it doesn't have periods after the LA, and it's... Anyways, I'm going to call it LA Splash is who this eyeshadow palette is by. It's pretty packaging. And the retail value of this is $32. And it says, cast a spell with every look created using this universally flattering eyeshadow palette, perfect for day or night, containing 8 rich pigmented shades to make you feel bold and beautiful. You'll be ready for all the holiday festivities. So, ooh, it is pretty. And it does have, it's got black, and it's got 3 shimmers and 5 mattes. 5 mattes. So, it is beautiful. We're going to be having to try this out. They feel nice and buttery. So, as you can see, they look beautiful, and they feel super buttery. So, I think this alone is probably worth, you know, the $18 or whatever you pay. But let's move on and see what else we're gonna get. Oh, you get Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Golden Eye Patch. The under eye patches, you get 1 pack of those. I still think I have 1 other pack of these. And then you get this Mighty Patch, Invisible. It's a little spot patch. And it says, say goodbye to breakouts with this duo. Oh, there's 2 things. The Rescue Balm. Here's the Rescue Balm, and this is the patch. And the invisible patch can be worn under makeup and helps to extract impurities, protecting your skin while reducing the pimple. Afterwards, reach for the Rescue Balm to speed up skin healing. And this is a retail value of the mini set is $4. But if you buy the full size, it's $30. $17.99, you get 39 patches, and the full size of the balm is $12.99 for 15 milliliters, which is probably like that tube right there. So if you have a problem with breakouts, I don't, I'm past that. But I can't imagine wearing that patch underneath makeup though. Anyways, ooh, here's something else to get. This is a, it looks like it says Duce Ultra Precision Eyeliner. I hope it's a pencil. Oh, yay, it's a pencil. I love pencils, you know that. Oh my goodness, it's so creamy and nice. Yes, I'm gonna love that. And it says, what does it say about this one? It says, there it is, Ultra Precision Eyeliner. This waterproof pencil eyeliner has a velvety smooth formula that glides on without pulling or tugging. You will never worry about smearing again. $22 is what this is, and it's Ultra Precision Eyeliner from Duce. D-O-U-C-C-E. I don't know how to say that, so that's what it's called. And then, oh, here it is. There is a Spectrum Zodiac B07 Tall Crease Blender. This is a brush. And it retails for $8.99. Oh no. Yes. For $8.99. Ooh. Feels nice and soft. I like it. I love brushes. So that is it. It's a $70 retail value of this box. And you get it for, I'm not sure how much, but you can look and see, because I'm going to leave a link below on this Glossybox. It is a monthly subscription box, and it seems to be well worth the price, because I'm sure the price is one of those two that I said, either $18 a month or $21 a month. I just couldn't tell. And I told you what I think it was. So that's it for the Glossybox. It seems like a really good deal to me if you're in the market for a monthly subscription box. It's a good one. So now let's see what's in this other stuff. Look at all this. This is the box it came in. It's like a canvas covered box. This is the Age Beautifully Day Cream from, I wish I could say this, Elevation? I think it's Elevation. I'll show you it. See it right there? It says, oh, you can't see it. There it is. ElebationE. Elevation A? I think this came from like the UK or something. Anyways, look at that packaging. Isn't it beautiful? Let's see. And then it's a cream. This is a day cream, SPF 50. And it comes with a little spatula that says it on there. I've just left it in here because I haven't had a chance. I've been trying the City Beauty stuff, so I haven't wanted to start on this until after I decide on that and do a review on it. This is the Age Defying Mask from the same company, same kind of box, same kind of packaging. It's got a little black spatula in this one, and this is for, I don't know, it's Age Defying Mask. And it's a cream too. So I don't see it. There's no like fact sheet with it. Guess I'll have to go on their website and look everything up. Anyways, I'm just showing you what they sent me because I haven't tried any of this. Age Defying Face Oil. Oh, they're little capsules. Gold. See them? Let's get my face out of there. Aren't they pretty? Don't they have the prettiest packaging? Had a gold lid on it. I think they have great packaging. They said something about it, that packaging was like inspired by oh, there it is, from Salvador Dali. The packaging is inspired by Salvador Dali. That name sounds familiar, but I don't know who he is. Okay, this is the Gala Results Box, Age Beautifying Elevation Time Capsule. Ooh, this has a bunch of stuff in it. It's got the pretty packaging again. This came out like that. And then this is what's in it. How come my light's too bright? Oh, there we go. And this one is Age Beautifying Face Cream, SPF 50, Age Beautifying Face Serum, and this is Age Beautifying Boosting Drops. So I will have to read up on these to find out exactly what they are and what they do, but there's no, like I said, there was no fact sheet in here. So I guess I'm going to have to go on their website, unless maybe it's underneath this packaging. But I don't think so. But we'll look. This is cool. No, this doesn't even come out. So I'm pretty sure there's nothing underneath there. Nope. So yeah, I'll have to go on their website and find it. And then they sent me this, which hopefully has a fact sheet, because I don't know what to do with it otherwise. This is a multi-treatment total care device, and it's called Time Stops, and those are time capsules, all the creams and stuff. This is Expressionist Multi-Treatment Total Care. This one says, please find your user manual, USB cable, and cleansing cloth in the bottom of the box. So yay, this one does have information. So this is what it looks like. This is what it comes with. This little thing, this is like the charging stand. Isn't it cool? Here. You know, it's still not tall enough for you to see. And then this is the thing. Isn't that cool? I don't know what to do with it, but it's cool. I know you do something with it to your face. I'm going to be you know how I told you I should look 10 years younger after I used the City Beauty? I was wrong. It's 25 years. So this should make me like even younger still, huh? Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Even if I never use it, it's just so beautiful. And it has a USB plug-in right here. And it has this little velvet case to put it in. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. And then here's the USB cable. And I see underneath, I don't know how to get this out. Maybe there is stuff underneath those, because this doesn't come out easily, but it was under there. And here is the user manual. So I can at least show you pictures of what it's supposed to do, and a cleaning cloth, and how you're supposed to use it. How to use. Apply skin products to face and neck. Hold down the on button to turn it on. To toggle between modes, press on and off button. Okay, so moisturize skin with red mode. Oh, it's got a button on here that changes the modes, and you just, it just makes your stuff that you're putting on your face go in deeper. Improve forehead wrinkles, neck massage. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. I'll have to do a what is it called? I'll have to update you guys on this after I've used it for a while, in a month or so. But you should know, if I look like 25 years younger, you should know, right? Anyways, that's it. It came with this cloth to clean it with. It's got a piece of plastic on it too. But I hadn't taken it off because I wasn't going to use it yet. But there we go. It's off now. It's so sleek and beautiful. Anyway, I wonder if it's charged. It said how to turn it on, didn't it? I read it and I don't remember. Hold down the on-off button to turn on. It's green. Toggle between modes. Moisture, skin, neck massage. I don't really want to do it because I have makeup on. I don't want to push makeup into my skin. Improve forehead wrinkles. But anyways, it's green right now. Can you see the green? And then it's blue. And then it's red. And it's vibrating. I can feel it. I don't know how to turn it off though. Hold down. That's what I did. It's cool. Okay, guys. I'm done. I'm done with my little Christmas thing. It's like Christmas for me, huh? All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this beauty break. Everything looks wonderful to me. I can't wait to try it all out. And I know that I'm going to try out the eyeshadow and the brush and the eyeliner on camera for you in probably sometime next week. Maybe sometime next week probably. And we'll get to try it together. So I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to use your Rakuten to get free money. And I will see you in my next video. Stay cool.